Hi, I'm Anthony Torrez, and this is my week 2 discussion video for PMA3. What have you learned about web-based mobile applications? Well, I guess in order to really differentiate them, we'll start with what a native app would do. A native app does not depend on the connection to the internet in order to work. Instead, it's designed to work with the device's operating system and specific hardware. But on the other hand, a web-based app is designed to work with the mobile device's web browser. And because they're pretty much standardized, what makes the app it makes the app able to work on most smartphones, whether they're running Android or iOS or even BlackBerry. Uh, and also, the app does not need to be submitted to an app store or for approval. Uh, why is learning about web-based mobile applications valuable? Uh, for one, it's going to give you a bigger market if your app is able to run on Android or iPhone, even the BlackBerry. You can code the app using HTML5, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery mobile, and it can be used on just about any smartphone that's out there. It makes it easier to maintain the app as well, versus having to code the app in JavaScript and then doing the same thing again in Objective-C for the iPhone and whatnot. Do you have examples of web-based mobile applications that you use today? If not, what types of web-based mobile applications would you be interested in using someday? Well, I have several apps on my iPhone. The one that comes to mind the most, I would say, would be the Roundtable Pizza app. It's basically an app that's an online forum for ordering pizza, and so you know it's a web app because it needs internet connectivity. Similar apps would be the ones for the Home Depot and Lowe's. These apps are able to provide you with a search capability for items that you might be able to find in their respective stores. You can order the items from your phone, and they also give you the ability to download tutorials for projects you might be interested in. Another one I've got is Livermore Wine app, and this is rather a local app. It tells you about upcoming events in the Livermore Valley, and tells you about places to stay. Not that I need that because I live here. What activities are available, and of course tells you about the various wineries, their operating hours, how to get there, etc. And there's also, in this general area, we've also got one for the Napa Valley, the Suisun Valley, Santa Cruz, and Sonoma County. Those are the main wine growing areas here. And so they're good for planning a weekend getaway, telling you what's out there, what events might be out there in an upcoming weekend, things you might be interested in. I've also got a couple of translator apps. iTranslate, Translate, and Translator are the three that I use. I've got several friends in the Philippines, and we keep in touch via Facebook. Sometimes they post messages in Tagalog, or perhaps they'll post a message in kind of an English and Tagalog mix. And so the translator helped me keep in touch with them and understand what they're saying. Well, that's an example of what I've got so far, so that's my video for this week. Thanks.